I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Overlay and turn on Enable in-game Overlay. Once done, check Settings right arrow Game Activity and add the game if it isn't listed, then toggle its overlay on. If the game still won't show, close known overlay conflicts like Steam or Riva Tuner because multiple overlays compete for the same hooks. This first pass gets Discord ready and the game registered, so you can move on to deeper compatibility checks. Next, address permissions and software conflicts. Run both Discord and your game as administrator so processes share the same privilege level. This often restores the hook Discord needs. If you see tearing or flicker, disable hardware acceleration in Discord's appearance settings because GPU path differences can break overlays. Also, temporarily disable other overlays or recorders and VPNs that inject into games since they steal rendering hooks. Once those are cleared, restart both apps. Finish by ensuring system-level compatibility. Update your GPU drivers to the latest vendor release because outdated drivers break overlay injection. If updating doesn't help, try running Discord in Windows compatibility mode for your OS version to handle legacy hooks. As a last step, uninstall and reinstall Discord. And before reinstalling, delete %appdata%backslash_discord and %localappdata%backslash_discord to remove corrupt cache. If it still fails, one troubleshooting tip: test a different game or create a new Windows user. That isolates whether the issue is game-specific or profile-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.